And this is a live look. And this is a live look at a guy who's freezing his hiney off right now, not ready for this cold blast quite yet. But actually, we're in a brief reprieve. If you look right along the above the buildings, you can see there's a little bit of sun on those clouds. The snow is tapered off a little bit. It was really heavy about an hour ago. And actually, when we first got here around noon, all these streets were really nicely plowed. And then in the last couple hours, probably about an inch of snow. And then a lot of that's been packed down onto the streets by the cars driving along there, smushing it down. But while all this white looks traumatic if you're a thin-blooded valley dweller, it's just what these folks look forward to all year. Never too old to do some sledding. We also find the mailman having no problem getting the mail delivered today. Lots of people told us they were cold, but the snow, that's a different story. Lots of businesses up here thrive on snow tourism, none more than the ski house, where they've been watching the sky for a couple weeks.
We were all a little nervous at the beginning of the year because, the snowball was trying to open and we didn't have any snow, and it's just what we've all been waiting for. And apparently it's not done yet.
Yep. All right, so a lot of this snow, what it does is it turns to slush. That's what this is. It's all watery. And as we get dark, that turns to black ice. We're going to talk more about some of those concerns and what to look out for if you're headed up to the high country coming up in our show at 6. For now, live in Flagstaff, I'm Jason Valentine, ABC 15.
All right, Jason, thank you.